Welcome to Real Word Business School, the real world of business learning. Subscribe, like, and share. The Rule of 72 explained the simple formula that controls wealth. Imagine two people who start with the same money. Both invest the same amount. Both work equally hard, yet one retires wealthy, while the other struggles financially for life. What caused the difference? It was not luck. It was not intelligence. It was not even income. It was something far simpler. A rule. A small mathematical shortcut used by investors, bankers, and financial strategists. A rule so powerful that once you understand it, you will never look at money the same way again. It is called the Rule of 72. And this simple rule can tell you how fast your money will double, how quickly debt can destroy wealth, how inflation quietly steals your future, and why the rich seem to get richer without working harder. In today's lesson at Real World Business School, Chuck, we are going to break down what the Rule of 72 is, why it works, how investors secretly use it, how banks use it against you, and how you can use it to build wealth faster than most people realize. Because once you understand this rule, you begin to see money differently. Most people misunderstand one thing about money. They think wealth is built through hard work alone, but in reality, wealth is built through mathematics, not complicated mathematics, simple mathematics. The kind bankers understand very well. For example, if you invest $1 million and earn 10% per year, many people assume after 10 years they will earn $100,000 each year. But this is not how money grows. Money grows through something called compound interest. And compound interest behaves like a snowball rolling downhill. At first, the growth is small, but over time, the snowball becomes massive. And this is where the Rule of 72 enters the story. The Rule of 72 is one of the simplest formulas in finance. It tells you how long it will take for money to double. The rule is simple. Years to double equals 72 over interest rate. That's it. Divide 72 by the interest rate. The result tells you how many years it takes for your money to double. Let's look at examples. Example 1. If your investment earns 6% per year, 72 divided by 6 equals 12 years. Your money doubles every 12 years. Example 2. If your investment earns 8% per year, 72 divided by 8 equals 9 years. Your money doubles every 9 years. Example 3. If your investment earns 12% per year, 72 divided by 12 equals 6 years. Your money doubles every 6 years. Now pause and think about that. A small difference in return can completely change your financial future. The Rule of 72 is not magic. It is an approximation derived from compound interest mathematics. But it works surprisingly well for most real-world investment returns. The number 72 was chosen because it divides easily by many interest rates. 72 divided by 2. 72 divided by 3. 72 divided by 4. 72 divided by 6. 72 divided by 8. 72 divided by 9. 72 divided by 12. Which makes mental calculations fast, and investors love speed. Because in finance, fast thinking creates advantage. Professional investors constantly ask one question: how fast will this investment double my money? Let's compare two investment opportunities. Investment A, 6% return. Investment B, 12% return. Using the Rule of 72. Investment A doubles in 12 years. Investment B doubles in 6 years. That means over 24 years. investment A doubles 2 times. Investment B doubles 4 times, which means investment B is not twice as powerful. It is 4 times more powerful. This is the mathematics that quietly creates billionaires. Let's imagine someone invests $1 million at 12%. Using the rule of 72. Money doubles every 6 years. Watch what happens. Year 0 to $1 million. Year 6 to $2 million. Year 12 to $4 million. Year 18 to $8 million. Year 24 to $16 million. Year 30, $32 million. The investor did not add more money. Time did the work. This is why time is the greatest wealth multiplier. The rule of 72 does not only apply to investments. It also applies to debt. Let's say someone carries credit card debt at 24% interest. 72 divided by 24 equals 3 years. That means the debt can double every 3 years if unpaid. So $1 million of debt becomes year 3 to $2 million, year 6 to $4 million. This is why banks love high-interest debt, because compounding works in their favor. The rule of 72 also reveals something disturbing. Inflation. If inflation averages 6% per year, then 72 divided by 6 equals 12 years. Which means your purchasing power halves every 12 years. So $1 million today may only buy $500,000 worth of goods in 12 years. Without investing, people are quietly becoming poorer. Smart investors use the rule of 72 to guide decisions. They ask, how fast will this investment double? Is this return beating inflation? Am I compounding or losing ground? Because wealth is not just about earning money. It is about how fast money multiplies. The rule of 72 teaches a powerful truth. Small percentages create enormous differences over time. This is why investors chase higher returns. Banks charge high interest. And time is the ultimate financial advantage. If you remember only one thing from today's lesson, remember this. Wealth is not built by working harder. Wealth is built by making money multiply faster than time erodes it. And sometimes, the difference between financial struggle and financial freedom can be explained by a single number. 72. If you want to truly understand how money works in the real world, subscribe to Real World Business School. Because here, we don't just talk about business. We decode the rules that control wealth.